Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Premium Duo is a discount plan for 2 people who live together. Each person on the plan gets their own premium account, so no one shares a password and everyone keeps their own saved music and playlists. It comes with Duo Mix, a playlist based on the tastes of both people on the plan.
Make your mark, take our lead.
You can upgrade to Duo with your existing premium account and keep all your saved music, playlists and recommendations. It's an exclusive playlist only available to Premium Duo members. It's regularly updated for the 2 of you, based on your shared listening history.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.